After Columbus discovered American continent in 1492, England in America. Many of them, like Tom Paine and Thomas Jefferson, actively campaigned for political equality and freedom. The English Parliament often passed laws that favored the American colonies raised the slogan "No taxation without representation." In 1774, representatives from 12 colonies met a congress at Philadelphia to protest against the British. They requested King George III to restore their previous rights. This led to armed clashes between the British and the American soldiers. The Second Congress also tried to find a peaceful solution. They appealed to the king not to impose taxes without their permission. They decided George Washington to be the chief of the armed forces of the colonies. The king saw this as an act of rebellion and declared war in April 1775 CE. The Americans finally won the war in October 1781 CE with the military help from France. The American War of Independence ended after Britain signed the Treaty of Paris in 1783 and recognized the independence of its 13 colonies. The Declaration of American Independence. The Declaration of American Independence was adopted on 4th of July 1776 during the Third Congress at Philadelphia. Thomas Jefferson was the principal author of this declaration. It declared that all men are created equal, certain rights including life, liberty, and pursuit of happiness. In 1789, the government of the United States of America adopted a Republican Constitution. The United States of America would not be ruled by kings but by representatives elected by the people. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel for latest updates.